guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're cutting this blind bag. It's cute. Even has a cup and a little heart. Let's cut it open. Let's see what's inside. Snip, 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 snip. Oops. I got something cut. Cut this. Snip. Oh, so cute. Oh, wow.
Wala, pakita mo yung tata yung ano.
Oh, it's so cute.
Nagbe-video siya.
It's a cute little donut for a kitty. That's a donut. What cat should I pick? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It even has a shark. Wait a minute. Wait, there's a map. You got what? Did I got something? I got something. Oh my! Oh, I found red. This is tasty. I found that. Oh wait, there's a black bag inside. Let's see what's inside. What kind of fruit could I get? Let's snip it. Let's cut it open. Let's see what's inside. Oops, my scissors. Oops. Let's see what thing I should get. Oh what? A little watermelon, a kitty. Look at it. Little cat I get. That's a cat I get. So cute. So squishy, squashy, squish. So I got this red thing. I got this blue. I got the blue one. Come on. I got this common thing. Look, it even has a question mark. Oh wow. Look, it's a kitty. Even 1, 2, 3, 4. There are even 4 stars above. And even 2 question marks. And even 1 heart. Even there's a kitty in it. So I have 1, 2, 3. Cover things. Oh yeah, I got this blue one. Come on. Oh yeah, let's try it again. Let's put it back. This is so wonderful that I get. Yep. This is so squishy. Let's feed this kitty because it's so hungry. So this is the toy update, little kitty. Let's put it in its spot. Wait, it doesn't fit. So cute. Look at the little kitty. It's so squishy. Let's feed this little cat with this little donut instead. So eat. Look at eat. Oh, now it's full. It's crazy. She likes this. She likes her cute little thing. So I got red. You got red. Oh yeah. That's so cool. I love this little blind bag. I love that cute blind bag with a kitty in it. Even has its snack donut. The snack is a little donut. Oh yeah, so cute. Even looks like an Krispy Kreme. So squishy and squashy. Even this little kitty looks squishy. Squishy, squash, squash, squash. Oh, little kitty. Hello, I'm a little cat. She's trying to eat this little donut instead. What about her little toy instead? Oh yeah, so cute. That's the cutest cat I ever seen. This is a cute cat. With a bit of stripe in his head. Look, it even has tail on the back. I mean, if there's cotton in here. A squish and a squash. Squishy squish. Oh, I got the edges. This squishy squish.
Hindi ka nagbabay sa kanila?
Bye!
Wala na. Ano pa, oh?
Bye-bye, guys. See you later in my little kitty squishy. Bye. Yum, yum, yum.